Today for DPA, we're focusing on participating actively. We're going to be moving around in the classroom with our missions, and we're going to be active the whole time. So what does it look like? What does it feel like when we're active in the classroom? Turn to your partner and let's have that conversation right now. Have students conference with a partner, each speaking uninterrupted for up to 1 minute to share their knowledge of success criteria for active participation. Following partner discussions, consider having pairs share their responses with the class. Consider recording correct responses on poster paper for future reference. Throughout the lesson, continue to draw students' attention to the identified criteria for success. To get warmed up and to increase our heart rates, we're going to play a game called Jump, Stop, In Control, and Get Ready. Students will gradually increase their heart rate by participating in the following activity. Students begin by walking around, increasing their level to a march, to a shuffle, jogging on the spot, and finally running on the spot. While students move, the teacher calls Jump Stop. Inform students that a jump stop is when you jump and land in control with both feet on the ground. This allows the use of either foot as a pivot foot and establishes the triple threat stance: drive, pass, or shoot. Each time students hear jump stop, they stop and perform an action that can take place after a jump stop. For example, a front pivot or a fake pass. Students can perform a skill of their choice, or the teacher can call jump stop and reverse pivot, or jump stop and fake shot. After 2 jump stops, change the method of locomotion, increasing the tempo. Prior to the activity, inspect classroom activity surface for safe traction and eliminate potential hazardous conditions, for example, books, backpacks, extension cords. Where movement is to be around desks and chairs, check that all chairs are pushed into desks or remove chairs to the perimeter of the room. Check that pathways around desks can safely accommodate student movement. If using the classroom, consider moving furniture to the perimeter of the room and outlining the activity area using masking tape, keeping a safe distance between the furniture and the boundary line. We'll now complete the speed and control mission. Remember, you can complete the mission in any order, but you must stay together in your group. Throughout the activity, be sure to refer students to the success criteria for safe and active participation. Divide students into groups of 4 to 6 and give each group the speed and control mission sheet. Groups must stay together and perform each mission task as a group as quickly as possible. Each group member must perform each mission task to the best of their ability. Inform the groups that they may work on the mission tasks in any order they choose. Check that each activity is spread out to minimize interference from other activities. For a demonstration of the mission activities, see the video on the curriculum page of mlscshapeup.com. To cool down, we're going to play a game called Close Coverage. Students will gradually decrease their heart rate to a resting rate by participating in the following activity. Then students stretch the body parts that have been active throughout the lesson. Students find a partner from their mission team. Partner A mimics a variety of actions from a basketball game, for example, dribbling or passing. Partner B pretends to cover partner A using a defensive stance and footwork. After 20 seconds, the teacher calls defender's ball and the partners switch roles. After students complete the action while walking, the teacher calls out "Great game," and partners high-five each other and alternate leading each other in a series of stretches, holding the stretches for 15 seconds.